There it is. It's hard to see the logo on there. It's quite stealthy. The bag feels like it's waterproof as well, actually. That's a plus. See if we can get it up. Okay, so that's the mesh in there. This was like an optional extra. I think the idea is to use it in the summer when there's loads of bugs about, and then just use the outer in the winter, because there's no bugs around. Right, it's brand new. I just got out of the bag. Well, they all slot together. Look, that's easy enough. Yes, it's that. This is going to be a sizable thing. Never actually done a Tipi before, so let's give it a go. Pegs are nice quality. They're light as well. Maybe snout out to their dog. What? Horseflies have found me now. Trying not to get eaten. First thing I noticed, you haven't got enough pegs for it. I haven't pitched it on the flattest ground here, so it's not really doing it justice. But it's a big sizable thing. So this year we got for the stove. You've got to buy a separate jack to go on there for your chimney to come out of. Plenty of room in here. Yeah, so I'm sitting right back in the corner here now. If you were just using this as a shelter, just to sit in, you could have a load of people in here. About 3 or 4 people staying dry. The mesh in there, I don't know if I'm going to bother with today, because I'm getting hungry and I'm getting eaten by flies. So that will fill the back corner of it. Easy enough room for you and your dog. You can fit in there, couldn't you? And then I suppose you'll have this corner then for the stove. And all your gear over there, you've got plenty of room. You could easily put your chair over here. It does come with guy lines as well, which will pull it out a bit more. Got 4 guy lines, but I've only got 2 pegs left, so I'm going to have to grab a couple of extra pegs for that. I suppose it is a bit of a budget model. It was 150, so it's not that much budget. They're just giving you the essentials. So the air vents that are open like that, close, sticks down. Probably just want to keep them open, especially if you've got a stove going in there. It's going to get boiling. Nice, and then I think it's going to be pretty nicely hidden. It's not going to stand out like an orange or a red tent, is it? Yes, looking nice. I think as soon as you go 100 meters away, you're not going to see that. So it's going to be my stealth tent until people get over this lockdown crap. And in the winter, it's going to be my hot tent. And I get a stove for it. Now, the stoves I was looking at, they start from like 200 quid. There's lots of people making ones out of an ammo box, so I might just give that a go, because I've got a spare ammo box. Right, I'm going to cook up some food now. Look at that. Got something here you might like, dog. Oh, you're sitting there so good. Good girl, aren't you? Flies are leaving me alone now. I don't know if it's just because I nicked their spot or what. They're thinking, who's this dude? That's a bit warm, isn't it? You keep having a go at that now, you'll be having enough. Don't know what to do with warm things, do you? You sit down over there. Sit. Stay there now. Tabasco. Nice bit of kick to it. Oh, lovely. Right in my cut as well. A little bit more. I like my steaks nice and rare. Still with a bit of blood oozing out. Oh, yum yum. Round either side. We're good to go. Yeah. So far, very impressed. I could definitely spend a happy night in there. But I will definitely be putting the mesh up. Well, no flies have been biting me actually. They just a bit annoyed them in their house, which was in the grass. So just a bit of day tripping today, dog, but we'll be back. This knife is honestly so sharp. Like just one hand, no pressure, and it's through. Look how pink that meat is. Whew. Practically raw. Yeah, that's fine. That's how I like it. Right. I had a bit more energy after I ate my food, so I managed to put the inner tent up. So I may as well give it a go. So, looks a bit floppy. I haven't got all the guy lines in. I put the back one in, so I thought I might pull it out a bit more. The first thing I've noticed, I've seen on other reviews, people complaining that the zip is on this side and the stove is there and you've got to try to squeeze past it. My one, they must have changed it because the zip is now on that side. So I'm well chuffed for that. When I was looking at the reviews I was thinking, I could probably just squeeze past, it'd be alright. But no, I don't have to. That's good. Floor feels flimsy. Not gonna lie, I wouldn't like to put that on anything spiky. I swear that spider, he must have been in here already. Where you come from, boy? So you got plenty of room to lie down. Loads of stuff can go behind you. I suppose on a windy night that'd be good. You know, you can make like a barrier. Not much more to say. Just a great tent. Seems really good. I'll probably be putting something under this. Because I mean it seems waterproof, but how long is that going to stay waterproof for? Once one spike goes in there, that you're done for. So I'm not convinced about the inner. I'm pleased that they've swapped the zip around though. So when I do finally get a stove, I can sit by here, open this up, stick a bit more logs in the stove, and back to Kip. Yes, very good. Chuffed with that. And this is going to be the biggest porch I've ever had. And it's less than 2 kilograms. Now I'm going to take it down in a hurry because I think it's about to get soaked and I don't want to get it soaking because I've got to go back home now. So catch you on the next one. Hopefully I'll be taking it out, trying it out properly. Cheers.